Hi, I'm Pallavi Symons, your makeup expert at Glamrs.com. Today I'm going to show you how best to use a concealer on and around your eye area. It's important to choose the right color. Make sure that the color you choose matches your skin tone. Do not go lighter or darker than your own skin tone. After you moisturize, make sure that with the appropriate brush, I would choose a rounded brush because it helps to dispense the product lightly across your skin and avoids patchiness. Make sure that you take enough product and apply it in the inside corner of your eye. Begin here because the darkest shadows fall in the inside corner of your eye. Blend outwards and downwards. Notice what it does. It brightens your eye. While this eye is still receding, this one's come forward. Your brow bone is normally lighter than the rest of your face, so make sure that the lighter concealer you blend from the inside corner and finish off softly on the outside. This will also give you a natural highlight. It helps you progress with the rest of your makeup. Now blend the two concealers and work on your eyelid from inside corner to the outside corner in soft rounded motion. I would suggest the use of a brush because when you use a finger, you tend to apply more product than is really needed. It ends up looking patchy, and also the concealer might settle into the lines on your eyes, making it look powdery and cakey. When you finish with the application of the concealer, use your finger to dab. What this does is ensures that the product stays in place. You're just patting it down. Once you finish with that, use a fluffy round brush and powder lightly. Always ensure that the product is blended downwards towards your cheek. This will ensure that there's no lines between your eye area and your cheek area. What the powder also does is it sets the cream that you've applied and it also makes the lines disappear, mattifying the product for a perfect finish. So there you have it, a simple and effective way of using a concealer to brighten the area around your eyes. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned, stay glamorous.